Now, basic shooting, notice I'm putting my hand through the camera strap just to keep it secure. Of course, for much more stable shooting, you're always going to want to use a tripod when possible, but for this video, I'm just going to be teaching basic operation, and we'll dispense with the tripod. Now, screen folds out, and up on top of the camera, right here, there's a button that says power. Push this button, a little green light will come on, and the camera will turn on. Now, as you'll notice, the screen here shows what's coming through the lens of the camera, and some cool bits with the screen: you can tilt it, get it at a better angle if you're trying to shoot different angles. What you can also do is rotate the screen a complete 180 degrees. This is useful if you want to get yourself in a video or a photo shoot. Alright, for now we're just going to do basic with the screen facing the normal way. And first we're going to have to put it into a proper mode to shoot videos. Now, if you look at the back of the camera right above the battery, you'll see this circular dial with 3 icons on it. The left one has a picture of a video camera and a still camera on it. This is our dual shot mode, which is the mode we're going to be focusing on in this tutorial because it's very basic, no fancy bells and whistles shooting mode, and that will shoot both videos and photo. Though, for future reference, turning the dial once to the right puts you into video mode. This will give you video shooting with all of the advanced settings available to you. And one more to the right, so all the way to the right, will give you photo mode, again with all of the fancy options available to shooting photos. But for this tutorial, since we're just doing basic stuff, I'm going to want to turn it all the way to the left so that we are in dual shot mode. Now, dual shot mode, since we don't have to worry about any fancy settings, the camera is very easy to operate. First, the zoom function, very useful. On the top of the camera, there's this little slider here. It says W and T on it. And if you can, I know you can't see the screen very well, but you notice that if I take the screen, take this slider, and push it towards the T, I zoom in, and push toward the W, I zoom out. And of course, pushing this dial farther one way to the left or right will increase how quickly you zoom in or out on something, which is useful if you don't want to have a jarring video. Just make your zooming nice and smooth. Now, the all-important function in video will be the record button. Alright, so you notice that as I'm gripping the camera, my index finger is on the zoom lever that I just showed you, and my thumb rests over this little silver button. That's going to be our record button to start and stop recording. Now, and I just point my camera at what I want to film. In this case, it's a window. It's not very interesting. So, and I'm just going to depress my thumb over that button. And as you can see on the screen, this red light has come on, which means that the camera is now recording. And you can record as much as you like, of course, and then once again just press your thumb over that button once to stop recording. And congratulations, you've shot your first video. Now, for photos, since we're in dual shot mode, it's very easy to transition between shooting videos and shooting photos. Again, we're going back to the top of the camera. Behind the zoom lever, there is a little silver button here that says photo above it. And what we do is we press that and hold that down until this flap at the front pops up that has our flash on it. So now we have now the camera is enabled for photos and the flash is ready to go. So to take photos, simply find that silver button that says photo again and press it down until the camera flashes, and we've taken a photo. So that, and with photos, the zoom function with the W and T zoom lever functions the exact same as it does in shooting video.